last weekend in Polokwane. And combining nicely here now. Ball whipped in! And Melusim Tellez, a great reflex save. Great reflex save from Melusim Tellez against his former teammates. Well, they left him a little present in the net. As you have a look at this.
Yeah, look at how poor defensive players.
Out in Polokwane at the weekend. And Pirates, yeah, there's a problem here. Could it be that egg that they left him in the net?
This is really hit the ground running for Orlando Pirates side, so it becomes an important fixtures and games whenever they're given an opportunity to show the Orlando Pirates fans as to then what is it that they can do going in front, because the season's going to be long. You also need your front three, your front four to be able to chip in terms of goals.
Then offside at this time. Daniel Msename, who is getting his first, already off the mark. Scored against Chippa United. This is his first start, no? Msename. This little ball clipped into Apollos. Blocked by Spilivili. Still Spilivili. And very good defending there. Very calm defending. Oof. That was a Palace scored. There you go. A birthday message for Osman Palace, 25 years old. That's a beautiful touch there from Pirates supporters then saluting and sending a big send-off for Tito Maswangangi, who has gone off to play his football in the Middle East there. Go and get some petrodollars. Down with him around. Scored in very big goals and contributed in very many important matters. Could be something on here. Good pressure be put on here by Sekhukhune Pirates. Not clearing their lines. And Sekhukhune also struggling to get the ball away. A comedy of errors there at the back. Pirates not clearing the forward teams, you know. And they've been rewarded because they've scored lots of goals as well.
They have been, and that's the type of football that you wanna, play with an idea or play with the belief that every game that you go into, you're gonna try and win the game, and that's a positive football. Then you allow your attackers, your Mujela, to be able to get that little bit of confidence going forward. But you can see here how they fought for this ball. Mujela making sure that it's not an easy one for a catch for China, and then you can see also Orlando Pirates unable to clear
the stadium. Still no goals, but it's been all Pirates in terms of possession, and that's going to run away from him. Sendami. Just a bit too heavy there from Osman Apollos.
You're going to need somebody that's going to be able to, control that tempo, slow things down to be able to play.
Shot from him, Sendami. Easy for Tellez. It wasn't how much of a thorn in the side of Orlando Pirates they've been as Radio Pane gives chase. Oh, great commitment from Radio Pane. They're chasing lost causes. And it was just a crazy tight angle there, but that would have been something special.
It would have been indeed. He spoke earlier as to the hunger that he showed in the preseason. Look at this. Normally a striker like that's the goalkeeper's.
55 wins from his first 49 matches in charge, 10 draws and only 4 losses. That's a win percentage of 71.4%. Can't argue with that.
Can't indeed.
Number 5 in today's matchday squad. Could be something on here. Ndlovu, can he get it under control? Nah, he finds himself surrounded. But there's some encouragement down that right-hand side for Sekhukhune. They seem to be getting a little bit of joy. Siama. Sibelebele took a deflection in the 4-4. Radio Pane scores! Oh, he's waited for this one for a long time. And he's up and running. brought into the starting lineup, and he answers. And he answers the confidence shown in him tonight by his coach in perfect fashion. Kaza is not happy with the defending, and I can't say I blame him. I mean, that ball took a deflection to reach Radio Pani. That means there was still no one there.
Exactly.
Covering.
Exactly, TT. But you can look at the distance between the two centre-back pairing, Cardoso and Mansimbi, as to then how the distance was between the two of them. But you look at the...
Now, finds the ball in a bit of space there. Attacking it is Mutela. Puts it just wide. Oh, some statuesque defending there from Orlando Pirates, allowing Mutela to sneak in there. Great ball whipped in here from the right-hand side.
You can see.
Could be in here. Oh, was it Mutela again?
Another opportunity again. You can see Coach Wadu not happy with how Orlando Pirates defend. Look at again that space as well, but to look at Mujela, of course, it was a little bit of a deflection. The ball just slightly.
First portion of the game. Just see the teams scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Pirates who made 3 changes from last Saturday's game. Great deal of him. I think the head also, I don't know, a bit of a high boot, but also the head went down a bit low into the the Betway Premiership. There's the new man Sebastian Pedersen. He will get there, but now needs support. Only one man in the box now, 2. Ngozi. Easy pickings for. Things have changed in that Gallants match. It's 2-1 now. KZ, scorer of the only goal in this game. Mutela goes down, and the referee will bring it back for a foul. Ramala headed away. This is and Ramabu went down there under that challenge. The referee saw nothing wrong with it. It was difficult to tell how much contact there was from didn't even give a free kick. So here's a ref that tends to let things go. As a header, it's just wide. Just another warning there for Orlando Pirates. Ramabu attacking it, frustrated with himself. Did very well to get in front of the defender yet.
It did very well. We can see there's so much time, so much.
And there should be a straight swap. Because Positi also likes to operate down the right-hand side.
Inside the box, but this is the Mujela that they need, the more aggressive one.
Now, could be problems here. Empty net for the birthday boy! Happy birthday to you! And many happy returns, Osman Apollos. Sekhukhune United caught out on the counter, and that might kill the game off. Well, this man celebrating like it doesn't mean a thing to him. In fact, not celebrating at all. It's like, bring on the cake, please.
But Titi, I want you to look at this as to then the, Radio Pani, as to then how he finds a break.
A couple of seasons ago, but in the Betway Premiership, always tightly contested. Oh, very near. Oh, that was a crunching challenge. And the referee has given was that a free kick to Sekhukhune? There's a card coming here. The way the man has just come up. Sebastian Pedersen, player signed from Norwegian side Sonnedal. Scored a heap of goals for his Sonnedal side. He had 8 goals. Space opening up down this left-hand side here. Another pass that was easily dealt with by a sign from Auburn College. Now, what a pass that was! Oh. Wow, what a ball to pick out Kositile. The young man, though, could not keep his cool there. Whoa.
Did say TT that if there is a player that is new in the Orlando Pirates colors, we should be very smart in managing his energies.
Certainly for me, Billy has been one of the star performers tonight.